Anna's toy review.
Wow. Anna, my love, what do you have? Anna got all the hair bits. LOL surprise. So 1, 2, 3 sample of a hair LOL hair bits.
This is pink stuff.
Yeah. Splatter and then this one too. So we have 2 of them. What are you doing? We need to have scissors, baby. And there's 3 more coming up. So we don't have the tree anymore. I took all the Christmas tree. The Christmas tree decors. So this is Anna's first LOL beads.
Help me open them.
Okay. Hi. What do you have now, Anna? What's her name?
This is pink.
Paper.
Some shoes.
Wow.
It's so cute.
This is $9.99 each. Oh, I have no more money.
Wow.
Wow.
Why is he splitting?
What do you have? What's your name, my love? Darling?
Yes.
Wow, her name is Darling. So Darling got a heart hair. Wow, that's so cute.
Yay! Mama, let's put the hair in water.
Okay.
My name is Spy.
It's a water spray bottle. Just put some water for this. And then we can stick the beads to the hair. And then
A teacup.
a teacup. Wow, she has
Mama.
a teacup. She's now starting to dress up her LOL. What's her name again, my love?
Darling.
Darling. I love you,
The
darling.
only ones that we forgot is Cheer Captain, Kitty Queen, and Cameron.
Okay.
We forgot 3 of them.
Oh no, we need to find the 3 of them. Oh, there's 8 of them for this LOL.
We forgot Cameron, Kitty Queen, and then Cheer Captain. We forgot these.
Okay, don't worry, we'll find them there. So LOL hair beads. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Wow. That's a lot, baby. Her without the beads. She's so cute, my love. And Nana's going to put now the beads for the hair. Alright. Nana's going to spray water. Wow. So this one also has a spray bottle. So you have to wet a hair. And then Anna's going to put the beads. Alright, so you can use this to cover the table from getting wet. Look at that. Anna's so good with this one now. So it's her favorite LOL surprise at the moment.
Let's put a bow.
Alright. It takes a long time to do this, so she needs more patience. Need some water before it sticks. Alright, Anna's doing it.
We need more spray on the beads.
Yeah. Wow, Anna finally did it. Good job, baby. And her second one. Alright. It's Anna's second set of LOL beads, hair beads
It's
series.
a heart.
Wow, that's so cute.
Heart. We need water for this.
Okay, water for the spray bottle.
Oh yeah.
And then she got a dress.
Keeper.
Alright, what's the name of your doll, Anna? Beep, 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 beep.
Oh, she's splitting.
She's a skater. That's so cute. Look at that. Wow. 1 and 2 and 3 hairs. La la la. Let's see, please. All right, for the camera. Just beautiful hair. My love, you're gonna get her dressed. Dress her up first. All right. Wow, look at that. She's so cute, baby. This is Anna's final product. Good job, baby. All right.
S-T-8-T.
What's her name, my love? That's the third one for tonight.
Yeah.
All right.
Lucky hair. Dog.
Here comes the doll. All right. She has an orange hair. Good
Her
job,
name
baby.
is S-K-A-T-E-R girl.
Skater?
No, S-K-A-T-R girl.
S-K-E-R girl? I'm messy. Huh. Oh, that's the thing. S-K... Oh my god, I can't even read it. S-K-A-T-R girl. Wow. Hair cover. Bonnet, huh? A beanie. Ah. Her hair are like pretzels, baby.
The pretzel, I would eat them.
ATR girl, look at that. She's so beautiful.
And I shall take the beads. And then I shall put them to the doll's hair.
Anna's now looking at her pattern. And she's putting the beads one by one. See? Pew, pew. Good job, Anna. Yay. Uh-oh. But look at that. It's so pretty. There's 2 earlier, and she also has 2. Look at that. She got